This conference will now be recorded.
So, hi all. Uh, so this is from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore. So we're providing IT software offline and online training center in Bangalore, Marathalli branch. So we're providing the trainings on multiple technologies, software technologies like ETL tools and reporting tools and cloud technologies. So, so, so ETL, when I coming to the ETL tools, the Talend new batch is going to start from 28th, 28th of this month. There is a Talend ETL tool. We're going to start new batch on 28th September. The class timings morning 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So if anyone interested to learn this ETL tools, feel free to reach out this Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. This is the number. You can reach out. So, so we're providing in the classes in the offline and online. Interactive offline and online classes, and each class recording video we are providing, real-time scenarios we are covering, and materials we are providing. So project explanation, resume preparation, mock interviews we are conducting, doubts and clarifications, interview questions and answers we are explaining. Okay. So for every month, first week we will start new batch. So from 28th, 29th, 30 is the demo. From the 28th, 29th, 30 September morning 8:30 a.m. is the demo. From the second onwards, regular classes. Okay. So for the free demo classes, 28th, 29th, 30, feel free to reach out to this number 9538160185. So Talent ETL tool real-time classroom and online training new batch demo is going to start from 28th September 2023 morning 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The trainer is Mr. Venkat. Okay, so the course duration is 35 working days. Qualification is any degree. So if you want to go for this website www.nandinisoftware.com. So that is the website. When you coming here, type www. So nandinisoftware.com. So that website also we can go through that. So along with YouTube channel is there. So this is the Nandini Software website. You can visit, check the updates for my website along with when it coming to YouTube also simply type Nandini Software, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So when you search here, so you'll get my YouTube channel, company YouTube channel, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Okay, so there are the channels. You can get the demo videos also here. Okay, so thank you so much, team. If anyone interested, within 45 days, the training is 35 working days. It means 45 days. So another 45 days. Within 3 months, you will get job. 3 months, 100% you will get the job. That much level we are going to teach in the training. Okay. So we already prepared class notes. So it is with easy to understand it. That notes, each class documents we have prepared it. So the documents are very useful. It is having very clear steps. Around 20 to 25 documents are there. So these documents are is with the clear steps with the screenshot along with the real-time scenarios. Another 15 documents are there. There are some real-time scenarios documents also we have prepared it. So along with interview questions and answers also we're explaining. So project explanation. So along with the talent, we are going to start different technologies like IBM DataStage. We are going to start new batch on October month, October 9th. We are going to start IBM DataStage ETL tool. So Talend ETL tool new batch is 28th September 2023 morning at 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Indian time IST. So when I coming to IBM DataStage ETL tool offline and online both. The, the new batch is going to start from 9th October. The class timings at 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, so we have one more batch 7:45 a.m. to 8:45. Okay, so this will start in the November month. This will start from the October month. So along with we have one more new batch, Snowflake. So we're going to start from the Snowflake new batch on October 16th. October 2023, 16th. Okay, the class timings morning 7:15 to 8:15. Okay, morning 7:15 Indian timing. So along with we're going to start Azure Data Factory ETL tool with Databricks synopsis. So that will we're going to start new batch on October 23rd. So October 23rd, October we're going to start it. 23rd October 2023. Okay. So if anyone interested to learn software technologies, so feel free to reach out this Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So that is the number 9538160185. So how to get the job within 45 days means reach out this Nandini Software Solutions. My team will help you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.